retarded and I just farted. I am retarded and I just... No. Yeah. Who's in jail? Louise! Or a nigga.